It's a big day in our house. This is the unboxing of the Karatbars VIP Business Pack. Drum roll, please. Very, very nice box. Reminds me of an Apple product. Very nice. You have the profit cards that you can give to people in your business to get discounts on the gold that they buy, gold business packages. Karatbars has 4 different business packages under $3,000. You have the bronze, the silver, the gold, and the VIP. And with the VIP, you can earn 20% commissions on all of the business that your team generates below you. A very lucrative compensation plan. Essentially, this is your business in a box. You have a scientific study from the Berlin Institute of Finance and Innovative in Digitalization. There's the founder, Harold Seitz. There's the headquarters in Stuttgart, Germany. Just got back from an event yesterday in Atlanta, and I got to meet him. Very cool, humble guy. It's the compensation plan for the business. So essentially, you can just present this to anyone that you think would be interested in getting on a systematic gold savings plan and showing others how to do the same and getting paid for it in cash and gold. Shows all the products. There's the K exchange. Places around the world where you can exchange your gold for cash, for fiat, whatever currency that country you operate in. You can do branding for special events. Realtors use this to pass out to their high-end clientele. It's a business card that you'd never want to throw away. So you can design these however you want. Let's see what we got here. And there is the cash gold. That is 0.1 gram. You've got your unique certification number here. You can cash that in at a Karatpay exchange. Any place that accepts Karatbar gold. And here's the security features. Limit the way for people to be fraudulent. Very nice. Here is a Karatbar. This is 1 gram of 999.924 karat gold. Very nice. You have the security features that can be read by a special light that you can also purchase through Karatbars, but if you take this into any gold dealer, they're going to test it and see for themselves that this is the finest gold bullion on the planet. And it's got its own unique ID here. It's signed. Very nice. So if you'd like more information on how you can get a Karatbars business in a box, start saving gold systematically in smaller denominations, You can click on the link below. Thanks very much.